Is it too late to start prepping? All of these headlines and all of these people talking about problems. Here's the Today Show. Fall may bring more grocery shortages. Here's what to expect. And they go through and they tell you that Costco is reinstating purchase limits. Canned food may be in short supply because of the aluminum problem. There's no availability of aluminum. What types of food could be delayed? Not only canned vegetables and soups, but drinks like soda, teas, and other beverages. There are many glass and plastic alternatives for many of these products. Aluminum prices have increased considerably. Meat and poultry. Order your turkey now and freeze it if you can. Meat and poultry products will be in tight supply. Now again, this is today. This is mainstream media telling us. Stu Leonard of the Stu Leonard supermarket chain says there's been hiccups in getting certain products. He thinks his stores will be fully stocked for the fall and winter. That would be great if it is. But they're seeing a shortage of fresh produce. But they're seeing a shortage of fresh product like turkeys for Thanksgiving, fresh fish, and center-cut steaks like ribeye and porterhouse. Trouble getting lamb. Ships are waiting to be unloaded at the dock because there aren't enough dock workers. So this is from the Today Show. And I just wanted to show you a few more. Here's what food shortages to expect. Totes News for the winter, and they go through here and tell you what to expect. And as we get down here, the price of coffee is going to go up. Freezes and snowfall in Brazil has decimated the coffee bean crops. Canned foods such as tuna, meat, and vegetables are popular winter pantry items. However, with the cost of aluminum on the rise, the cost of packaging is driving its rising prices. And not only food, they're talking about jewelry and furniture and appliances. And because of the chip shortage, no end in sight for vehicles, electronic gear, computers, TVs, smartphones, etc. And then here, grocery shortages to expect in 2021. And they go through here all these grocery shortages you can expect. And I'll let you read that. And then we have, what is this one? Record high organic U.S. soy prices fuel downstream food inflation. Price increases for food like organically raised chicken. And here we have Lebanon plunged into darkness, India facing rolling blackouts, New York City pharmacy shelves are bare as global collapse accelerates, leading to rolling blackouts across the U.S. So as we go through here, you see the shelves in pharmacies across New York have been left nearly barren. Supplies aren't getting through. The entire power grid of Lebanon just went down and will likely stay down for days. India now facing rolling blackouts, and you're saying, oh, that's Lebanon and India. Couldn't happen here. Well, it could happen here. Get ready for rolling blackouts across America this winter. The Epoch Times is reporting on the coming winter blackouts that are anticipated across the U.S. And Ernie Thrasher, head of Excoal Energy and Resources, via a Bloomberg report, stated that whole supply chain is stretched beyond its limits. And this is Thatcher, whose Pennsylvania-based company works in coal logistics. It's going to be a challenging winter for us in the U.S. Rolling blackouts across America would, of course, lead to empty grocery store shelves and panicked non-preppers who have long mocked preppers as kooks, as they are starving to death and freezing to death this winter. Nothing breaks the spell of delusion faster than the growling stomach and freezing toes. So, let me ask you, is it too late to prep? That's the original question that I had. And my answer is no. I want to show you some pictures I took. This was Walmart, and this was the water section. And then as we go here, this was just one of the sections. And I'm sorry I didn't take some pictures of things that were stocked up. If you were looking for some comfort items here, the thing is, don't wait until your favorite item is back in stock. You're going to have to switch and get something that you don't normally buy. You can get pretzels here. You could get Pringles. Not that those are good for long-term storage or for food prepping, but I just wanted to show you. See, these shelves are all empty, but you can get some Del Monte here. You can get, I imagine, this is their own brand of, it looks like corn. So you can get these things. You just have to make sure you're going to say, okay, I'm not going to wait for the Del Monte corn. I'm going to buy this corn and get it. So things are available. And I wanted to go to Keystone Meats. Keystone Meats, they do sell them at Walmart, but they also have their own website here. And notice, sold out, sold out, sold out. But you can get natural chicken, so go for the chicken. You're not going to get the ground beef. You're not going to get the beef, but you can get the chicken. So everything's not gone. As long as some things are still in stock, buy them. Here's pork. Here's turkey. So even though all of these other things are sold out, there are still supplies left. And you should still buy until the electric grid goes down and you can't get to the grocery store, or until the internet goes down, you can't order online, or till you go to the grocery store and everything is out, or there's all kinds of people waiting in line and fighting over one carrot. So you can keep buying now. Okay, here's Pleasant Hill Grain. I really like this company. It is now October 11th, and they're just fulfilling orders placed October 2nd. And as we go through here, I wanted to go to a couple of these. Let's go to rice. And this is out of stock. But as you go to some other products, here's brown rice. Takes a minute. It's in stock. These are 40-pound buckets. Here's another rice. This one is in stock. So even though some are out of stock, and you really had your heart set on this one up here, which was plain white long grain organic rice, instead you can get some of these others. Let's see how beans are. Here's kidney beans. In stock. So you can see some things are in stock, some things aren't. We can go to their dried vegetables. And they don't have a lot, but there are some. Carrot dice is in stock, yes, so you can get some. Here's more, here's the Ready Store. Notice, out of stock, but this one's in stock. Out of stock, out of stock. But as we go down here, well, maybe not. They all seem to be out of stock right now. So even though these are out of stock, you can still get some freeze-dried corn. No, you wanted carrots? Well, too bad. You're going to have to live with corn, and it's better to have corn than nothing. If we go to Legacy here, Legacy Food Storage, sold out, sold out, sold out. But they have chopped onions. They have emergency food storage corn. They have some things, they don't have others. So now is the time to get ready and to start buying while these things are in stock. This one looks like it's in stock here. This is Emergency Essentials. So I'm telling you, it's not too late. You can get some things. And I'm concentrating on food storage because food is probably the most important thing. Water also. But right now, if you're buying these things, food is important. So be sure to get your food storage. I heard that it was very hard to get gas-operated generators now. I don't know, I haven't gone and looked, but if that's something you want, you should go out today and buy one. It you can't wait. Things have to be done now, but it's not too late to start prepping. So go ahead and please start prepping now. Get more and more, get as much as you can, as often as you can. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment for us. Always want to know what's happening in your neck of the woods, and thank you again for watching.